Dry skin is something millions of people deal with every single day, and it can make your face look dull, rough, flaky, and tired while also making your skin feel tight, itchy, and uncomfortable. But the good news is that with the right care, consistency, and lifestyle habits, dry skin can become soft, smooth, glowing, and healthy again. Dry skin usually happens when the skin barrier loses moisture due to cold or dry weather, hot showers, harsh soaps, dehydration, aging, and using the wrong skincare products, and sometimes even stress and lack of sleep make it worse, so understanding the cause is the first step toward fixing it. The foundation of dry skin care begins with gentle cleansing. Always choose a hydrating face wash instead of harsh foaming cleansers because they strip natural oils that your skin actually needs to stay healthy. Avoid washing your face with very hot water because it removes moisture from the skin faster than you think. Lukewarm water is always better. After cleansing, moisturizing is the most important step, and you should never skip it. Apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp so it locks in hydration and strengthens the skin barrier. Look for powerful hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, shea butter, aloe vera, squalane, and niacinamide because these help pull moisture into the skin, repair dryness, soothe irritation, and keep your skin hydrated longer. During the day, use a nourishing moisturizer and do not forget sunscreen, because sun exposure damages the skin barrier, worsens dryness, and speeds up wrinkles and aging. At night, switch to a thicker cream or sleeping mask to deeply repair your skin while you sleep, and using facial oils like jojoba oil, argan oil, almond oil, or rosehip oil can give extra nourishment, especially during winter. Hydration also comes from inside your body, so drink enough water to support your skin's natural moisture and include healthy fats in your diet like nuts, seeds, olive oil, avocado, milk, and fish because they help keep skin naturally soft and hydrated. If you live in a very dry climate or spend a lot of time in air-conditioned or heated rooms, using a humidifier can be extremely helpful because it adds moisture back into the air, preventing your skin from drying out. Exfoliation is another important part of dry skin care, but it must be done carefully. Exfoliating once or twice a week removes dead skin cells and helps moisturizer absorb better, but over-exfoliating can damage the skin barrier and make dryness much worse, so always choose gentle products and never scrub harshly. If your skin is extremely dry or sensitive, always choose fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and minimal ingredient skincare products to avoid irritation. Avoid constantly changing skincare products because your skin needs stability and time to heal. Lifestyle also plays a huge role. Getting enough sleep helps your skin repair, managing stress protects your skin barrier, and a balanced, nutrient-rich diet supports healthy, hydrated skin from within. Try to avoid long hot showers, harsh soaps, sleeping without moisturizer, and rubbing your face roughly with a towel. Instead, gently pat your skin dry. Consistency is the real secret to solving dry skin problems. Even the best products won't work overnight, but with daily routine, patience, and care, your skin will gradually become smoother, softer, calmer, and healthier. Remember, dry skin is not just a beauty issue, it is your skin's way of asking for better care, protection, and nourishment. When you take care of your skin barrier, hydrate properly, use gentle products, and maintain healthy habits, you can achieve naturally glowing, comfortable, and beautiful skin every day, helping you feel confident, refreshed, and truly healthy. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support inspires me to create more helpful health and fitness content always for you.